Episode 334, the nature of space-time itself. Why space-time are emergent, not fundamental. Physics treats space and time as the stage, but nothing explains where the stage comes from. That's the problem. The core misassumption. Space and time are usually assumed to be containers, backgrounds, fixed dimensions. This assumption breaks physics. What space-time actually is. Space-time is not a thing, it is a relational structure. It emerges from how information is organized, updated and constrained. Why space and time are linked. Space tracks separation, time tracks change. They are bookkeeping tools for relational differences. They do not exist independently. Why space-time breaks at quantum scale. At very small scales, locality fails, simultaneity fails, causality blurs because the underlying structure is informational, not spatial. Gravity reveals the truth. Gravity doesn't move through space. It alters the structure that space-time emerges from. Curvature is not bending space. It's reorganizing relational information. Why time disappears in fundamental equations. In deep physics, time often vanishes because nothing is changing at that layer. No information change, no time. Space-time as a rendering layer. Space-time appears when information is sufficiently constrained, sufficiently stable, sufficiently ordered. It is a rendered interface, not the base reality. Why expansion looks strange. Space expanding is not more space appearing. It is a change in relational scaling. Distances update because structure updates. What exists beneath space-time? Below space-time is information, constraints, symmetry rules, update logic. Space-time is the visible output. Why this matters? If space-time is emergent, faster than light paradoxes dissolve, non-locality makes sense, time travel myths collapse, reality remains coherent. Key insight. Space and time are not where reality happens. They are how reality is displayed. Practical clarity. When space or time behaves strangely, you are seeing the limits of the rendering layer. The universe is not inside space and time. Space and time are inside the universe's structure. Next, we will explore extra dimensions, what they actually are and what they are not. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively step by step from there. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.